Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So while Europe recently got its hands on a new Volkswagen Tiguan, we're still sitting tight here in the US waiting for our next gen Tiguan to arrive. But wait, Volkswagen has just launched a brand new crossover for Europe called the Tayron, and we think it gives us a solid sneak peek of what the 2025 Tiguan might look like when it hits our shores. The Tayron is basically replacing the Tiguan Allspace in Europe, which you might recognize as the long wheelbase version of the Tiguan that's been sold here in the US since 2018. But get this, Volkswagen has confirmed that the upcoming US Tiguan will be based on the same platform as the Tayron, though they've promised it'll come with some major differences in sheet metal, powertrain options, and equipment. Still, if you're eager for the new Tiguan, the Tayron is probably a good preview of what's to come. And don't worry, we won't be waiting forever. It's set to debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show this November. All right, now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the Tayron itself. This thing measures about 189 inches long, making it 3 inches longer than the current US Tiguan, but still 11 inches shorter than the Atlas. It comes standard with 5 seats, but if you've got a big crew, there's an optional third row to boost capacity to 7 passengers. Design-wise, it's classic Volkswagen. You've got those clean, sharp lines and rectangular shapes we've come to expect. Up front, the headlights are connected by a sleek LED strip that splits right through the illuminated VW logo. It's all sitting above a wide grille with vertical air vents on the sides. A bold character line runs from the front wheel arch all the way to the taillights, giving the Tayron a really chiseled, strong look. Plus, there's chrome trim around the windows and down the rear D-pillar, adding a bit of flair. And speaking of the rear, those taillights, full-width design, super fashionable, definitely adds a modern touch. The interior is designed following Volkswagen's latest style cues, similar to what we've seen in the ID.Buzz. Front and center, there's a massive 12.6-inch vertical touchscreen mounted on the dash, giving you easy access to all the tech features. And they didn't skimp on the materials either. There's open-pore wood trim running across the width of the car, which adds a premium feel. To top it off, there's an illuminated decorative strip in front of the passenger seat that blends seamlessly into the doors, giving the cabin a really airy and modern atmosphere. So even though we'll have to wait a little longer to get our hands on the US version of the Tiguan, the Tayron gives us a pretty good idea of what's in store. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates. And of course, we'll be covering the Tiguan's debut at the LA Auto Show this November. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this preview, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car news and reviews. See you in the next video.